Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to fold down Toyota Sienna seats. We'll cover both the second and third rows, helping you transform your minivan for maximum cargo capacity. Whether you're moving furniture or packing for a long trip, understanding these simple steps will make your life much easier. Let's get started and unlock the full versatility of your Sienna's interior. Folding the second row seats is straightforward. First, find the release lever or strap, typically located on the side or at the base of the seat cushion. Pull this to release the seat back, allowing it to fold forward. Depending on your Sienna model, these seats might also slide significantly forward on their tracks or even be removable, offering even more flexible space for your needs. Now let's tackle the third row seats, which typically feature a convenient stow-and-go design. Begin by lowering the headrests. There's usually a button to release them. Next, locate and pull the strap or lever, often marked with a 1, to fold the seat back forward. Then, firmly push the entire seat down into the floor well until it clicks securely into its flat, stowed position, creating a seamless cargo floor. With your seats folded, you've unlocked impressive cargo capabilities. Folding just the third row provides approximately 75 cubic feet of space. When both the second and third rows are folded, your Sienna offers over 100 cubic feet of cargo volume. This expansive, flat area can accommodate items up to 72 inches long, making your minivan incredibly versatile for any hauling task, from groceries to home improvement projects.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.